Hi guys, this is Krisha Jain.
This is Janvi Jasingani.
This is Mehak.
I'm Nancy and we are here with Quench.
Let's see which skincare hack is the best.
So usually when I'm not burdened with work, viral skincare hacks is something that I really like to try.
Hacks are my favorite thing to do when I'm bored of my usual skincare routine.
We will be testing out 4 different type of skincare hacks.
The hack that will win the most number of points is going to be our star hack. So let's see which hack wins.
So I will be explaining my skincare hack. I have the Quench micellar water here, and my little hack is to put it in a spray bottle, spray it all over your face and then go in with your cotton pad so that the makeup comes off easily. I'm going to show this to you. Go in with your cotton pad and just wipe it off. It's that easy.
Oh my god, I'm so excited for this one and to try it with you guys.
Okay, so let's try this one. Ooh, it's actually working so well for me.
I've seen this on Instagram for so long and I really wanted to try it and I think it works really well.
So I absolutely love this hack. My skin feels so fresh, it cleans my makeup so well and my pores feel so clean.
It has actually cleaned my whole makeup really well. So I would rate it 9 on 10 for sure.
Solid 9 on 10.
Like a 8.5 on 10.
So the hack that I do is the DIY sheet mask hack, where I go in with the mist first. Then I use a very thick layer of the moisturizer. And then I go in with the mist again all over my face. Now I'm going to place the tissue over my face as a sheet mask.
Honestly, I felt there was like too much hassle to have a whole tissue paper on your face.
While the products were lovely and extremely refreshing and hydrating, I don't think this hack is for me.
So this hack is definitely not for me because I would not go through another 4 steps to use it as a sheet mask. I would rather just use a sheet mask. So I would give this hack like a 4.5 out of 10.
7 on 10?
Maybe a 6.
So this is something new that I've been doing since like a month and I'm going to share it with you guys because it has worked for me. So what I do is I keep my moisturizer in the fridge at night and I use it in the morning. Not only it helps with puffiness but also it kind of soothes my skin, and I've just gotten out. Now let's try it. You want your moisturizer to be really cold, so it's better if you put it at night and then you use it in the morning. It not only helps my face with puffiness but also calms my skin down.
It's so cold.
Oh my god, so cold.
Nice and refreshing, I would say.
Let's not forget our next 2.
I can already feel my skin getting depuffed. Wow.
I felt it was too cold for my skin. I mean, it might work wonders for people who can take in the cold and the icy feel, but it did not work well for me. So 8.5 on 10 because I know it's like really good for your skin. So 8.5.
This hack was so relaxing, more than I thought actually. I can imagine myself going home and doing this after a long day of work. So this hack is a solid 10 on 10 from my side.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I think this hack is definitely an 8.
My skincare hack is for a sheet mask. So I personally struggle with, fixing my sheet mask according to my small face structure, and I think a lot of y'all do. So I'll give y'all a hack. When you place a sheet on your face, just cut it above your nose, above your lips and near your chin. I'll show you it. Just opening this. Wow, this already looks so moisturizing. This is one of my favorite products from Quench. I'll just Yes, sir. So place the sheet mask on your face. Take a pair of scissors. Be very, very careful. And just cut it. Now let's put it all together. Okay, so I have wrapped up the corners and you can see how well it sticks for my face now.
This is the Quench sheet mask, and this is a hack that's been going around on Instagram a lot. It's pretty viral. Everyone's trying to do it, and I think it's gonna work. One cut is over here.
I think the product is fab, but I think this hack was unnecessary. Was it really required to cut? I think no.
I tend to do this a lot at my home because my face is really small and the sheet mask never fits me. It's a perfect way to make sure that the sheet mask fits your face.
I like the sheet mask, but do I like this hack? Absolutely not. I just think that the mask itself fits better on the skin and it does not need to be cut.
So yeah, I think this is a 5 on 10.
I give this hack a 2 out of 10.
I would definitely give this hack like a 10 on 10.
Thanks guys, I was so sure my hack was going to win. It's literally the simplest and the most doable hack possible.
I knew it, guys. My hack was definitely gonna win.
Hope you had a lot of fun watching us trying new skincare hacks, because we definitely had a lot of fun. Subscribe to Quench Botanics and let us know which was your favorite hack down in the comments below.
Bye.